Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. Today is Sunday the 20-something or other, and as I had posted up in my poll on my community tab, I asked you guys if you wanted me to wait for my second FabFitFun uncustomized box to compare to my customized box, and overwhelmingly everyone said nope, unbox it now. And I agree, because I have been itching to get into this. I did just get notification my other box will be here on next Friday, so I will unbox that next Sunday. So we'll just do 2 Sundays of this. I am going out of town starting this tomorrow, so I'm going to tape up some other videos today, and those will be up while I'm gone. So anyway, stay tuned for those. So this is the Spring FabFitFun 2020 box, and this box had a lot of controversies surrounding it, if you guys didn't know. They brought back throwbacks, which are items that had previously been in the box as a selection item. Those were not well received by a vast majority of the people, because a lot of people are like, it feels like they're cleaning out like closet inventory or old stock. The other half of people who were not annuals, who got to pick early, the people that pay for the entire year of membership, the select or people that just pay quarterly, didn't really have access to them because they sold out. So obviously a group of people wanted them. I apologize. I sound very, very off today. I have had a head cold for the last couple days, which is also why I'm taping this video late today and getting this video up late when I usually try to get my Sunday video up pretty early. All right. So if you guys hadn't already seen, I did a video on my add-ons. I did that last Sunday. I'll post it up there. There is a giveaway going on for my hitting 1K subscribers. We have well surpassed that, which is freaking amazing. But that will be open through March 16th. So take a look at that video if you guys haven't. So just a quick blurb for those who don't know what FabFitFun is. And aside here, I am not sponsored by this at all. This is all out of my own money. There isn't, you know, nothing that I get paid for this. But anyway, this box is quarterly. It is about $49.99. You can pay for a full year, and it's a lot cheaper that way. It's like $10 off or something each month, or $5. It's not like totally cheaper, but it is cheaper. You get to customize more. And so this is what it looks like this year. It is really pretty with butterflies. I feel like butterflies are making a comeback and everything this year, which I am a-okay with. I think butterflies are really cute. They always have different color variations in their boxes. So some boxes are blue, some are yellow. I got the pink one. I like to keep these around to put my excess makeup stuff in, or when I do like organizations and stuff. So I have already peeked in this box, and I will go over. There is one issue I have with the box this month or this quarter, and I'm going to go over that, and then eventually hopefully have a resolution for it, and I'll get back with you guys on that. But this is, they do a magazine in here where they go over this stuff. This is Gina Rodriguez, and I guess she's an actress. I don't really know much about her, but they allowed her this time to help pick out some items for the add-on sale. So if you noticed that when you were in the sale that she had like Gina's favorites and stuff, I think that's kind of cool. And then they always do a giveaway. I try to remember to enter these in, but half the time I don't. But one day I hope to win one of these. But I'm going to flip open to this so I can give you guys some details about it. That's the page that talks about it. They have a lot of other stuff in there. They usually have a sneak peek for the next box or some sort of clue, and then like ways to use the box and stuff. I usually get around to reading it, and it's quite interesting. So this time they have a at-home teeth kit thingy called Bite. Using this code if anyone's interested. I know most dentists will probably say they're not a fan of at-home alignment kits, but we'll leave that at there. We also have a HelloFresh. I feel like those come in pretty much every single box. Okay, so I'm just going to run down what were the options in each of these boxes, selection categories, and whether you could, all members could select it, no members could select it, or if you were an annual, you could select it, just so you guys get a quick rundown. So this first category, you could get the Revive Glow Wrinkle and Anti-Aging Device, which is $68. You could get a ribbed sweater coat right there that a lot of people said looked like Granny. You could get the Caravan Diamond Woven Rug, which is this bad boy right here. You could get the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote, which I already have. Mine is falling apart, unfortunately, on the inside. Or you could get the West Elm Indigo Tie-Dyed Bowls. I did these as an add-on. Oops, sorry. These are what they look like. I really liked those. So that was a throwback item. And then the other throwback item was this LMS Peptide 4-Night Recovery Oil. I didn't hear great things about that, but that is the oil right there. So the thing I picked, this is everybody could pick something, is I picked the Revive Light Therapy Wrinkle Treatment. And I promise you guys I'm going to use this and do a whole video on light therapy and the science behind it, and then if it works for me. I've been super interested in it. This is what it looks like. It even comes with little batteries. I'm kind of shocked that they sent that with batteries, but this is the little device here. And oh yeah, let's put the batteries in here and see how this goes. Is the device here. I put the batteries in. It was pretty easy. You just pop this off. It brings you with 3 triple A's. And then this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to kind of do this off back here because it's a bright light. It starts and it's kind of that red light, and then you press it again and turn it off. You do have to hold it down when you do it. So basically this is supposed to, they say it has NASA technology. Again, I'll do a whole video on this, but it has a combination of infrared light, which is invisible to the naked eye, that's supposed to stimulate collagen and elastin. Collagen is that stuff that makes your skin very bouncy and youthful. Red light, which is supposed to go to the deeper layers. I would say this probably you need to protect your eyes from it, but it's supposed to promote youthful and vibrant complexion by increasing your circulation. Amber light, which is supposed to bring vitality to dull and lifeless complexions, and it is beneficial for rosacea. And then they do have instructions in here. Let's see if there's anything fancy here. They do say to do spot tests and everything. So again, I will come back with a video. That's probably going to be sometime late next month or after that, just because I do want to give this a good try and go over the science of this. I think my body is trying to purge everything out of it right now. So it just doesn't like me right now. Okay, let's move on. That video will be coming up probably in March, beginning of April. It'll be a little while. Okay, so the second category was a harder category for me. I picked, there were a couple of items here. You could get the Cowpack set of packing cube sorbet or Tutti Frutti were the ones here, right here. Those are $40. You could get the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. I already own this. I don't care for it. And that one is $78. You could get the Shoshana umbrella for $40. I do like umbrellas, but I have enough right now. That is what it looks like there. You could get the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Hydration Boosting Moisturizer. It's an okay moisturizer. It does have some ingredients that don't really work well with my skin. And actually I'm giving it away in that giveaway that I talked about a little earlier. I have a full-size one in it. That's $39. And then there's the Tarteist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. I own that one as well. That's a throwback item. So both the Tarte products are throwback items. And that is an okay one, but it's not really good for fair-skinned people. And then the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster, $135. We all know that that's overinflated. That is also a throwback item right there. So that is one that everybody could choose. Because I wasn't really enamored with most of that category, I got the packing cubes, which actually timing-wise is perfect, and why I was kind of itching to get into this, because I am leaving on my trip tomorrow, and I really, really, really want the packing cubes for that trip. So I wasn't expecting them to get them in time. So I got the ones in the sorbet color. I just thought because, you know, I actually think the ones with the little lemons are cuter, but I figured this would be more versatile for my family. My husband's less likely to use ones that have little lemons on them, but he'll use ones that are just orange and yellow. So I'm just going to open this up and show you guys the 3 different cubes. Here we go. This is the first cube here. They are mesh lined in the front, and then in the back there, they have a little pocket in the back of this one. This is really nice, okay? And they all look like they're that's the medium-sized one. They have the little lining in the back there. And then this one here, I am so going to use these on my trip and get back with you guys and let you know how I liked them. I've never had anything from that brand, so. All right, moving on to the third category, which is still all members. There was the Amber Seats double coin necklace. This is what it looks like here, $50. You could get the gravity weighted mask, which is $39.99 right there. You could get the Way 2-in-1 Purity and Glow Mask collection, which is that one. And then you could get the Cosmetics Pure C, which is a throwback item right there. Or you could get the Green Goo Hibiscus plant-based scrub, which apparently was a throwback item from a previous something. I think edit sale or edit box, editor's box. Anyway, I got the weighted mask. You guys know, or some of you guys don't know because there's a lot of new people here. I am a doctor and I work in the ER and I work shift work. And so I tend to do a month of nights every couple of months. And these things, I wear eye masks, but I was curious how this weighted mask was going to feel. This feels very heavy. Oh, but that feels nice. Okay. And we'll see how this works. So this feels very heavy. It has definitely more of the weight on the outer edges and stuff, but it feels like the beads can kind of move around. And then it has a bigger bump here in the middle, but I'm going to definitely play with this. I go on nights, not for another month or two, but I will play with this one of the mornings I want to sleep in and it's too bright and see what I think about that. But that feels really nice. Like I was expecting it to feel a little chintzier than it was. All right, we move on to the category that's 4, which is select members. These are people who pay for the annual membership, get to choose everybody else that gets chosen for them. And this category is where things start going downhill. And for multiple reasons. I can't go more than 5 minutes without coughing my head off. It's gonna be fun tomorrow, traveling like this. I'm hoping it'll be better. My husband had the same cold and it got better after like 2 days, so I'm in day 3. Fingers crossed. Anyway, so the first thing is the Area Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplated Brush. That was a new item. The Habanera Marinella Imperial Jade Body Oil. That company, I have liked their stuff. Sorry, what? Right there. And then it says the Stone Cold Fox Tea Towels, which look like that, that are supposed to be $38. The oil was $68 and the other thing was $35. There's the Aveda Damage Repair Daily Hair Therapy. That's a throwback item. That is $31. And AG Fast Food. Oh no, so now those are the items. So I picked the tea towels because I always could use more tea towels. And I was actually kind of excited about the tea towels. Now granted, it's only 2. And I looked in here and this is what they gave me. This is not the tea towels, guys. Not at all. So they somehow misplaced my tea towels for this, the rug, the Diamond Caravan Woven rug. This is a more expensive item. I am going to reach out to customer support and talk to them about this and see what they want me to do. I'm not going to unfold it fully, obviously, because if they never asked me to send it back. But let me just open this up and show you guys real quick. Just because. Anyway, yeah, they completely put in the wrong category. So I'm going to reach out to them and see what they want me to do. But if anyone's interested in what the rug looks like, this is what the rug looks like. It's not horrible. I can definitely use it if I can't get the tea towels for some reason. But I was really looking forward to the tea towels. So I had this happen previously. It was last spring, in fact. I don't know what it is with me and my spring boxes. But last spring, I had picked out the little backpack and they sent me the robe and I was super upset and they fixed it and they sent me the backpack and I ended up loving the robe. So who knows, maybe I'll end up loving this. But I'm going to reach out to them, see what they want me to do with this. See if they can send me the tea towels because usually when they screwed up this badly, I usually say, hey, can I have my tea towels or do you want this back? So that is that item. They screwed that up. I'm going to give them some time to fix it and then I'll let you guys know what happened with that. But yeah, those definitely don't look the same. So I don't have anything from that category. All right, next category is 5. This is also one that we could choose from if you were a select member. This is the hardest category. So this is one I just didn't really like anything from it. There was the AG Fast Food Leave-In Hair Conditioner. That's what it looks like there. There was a Love Scripts body wash right there. And then on this thing they said, and I would have picked this item had I seen it in the sale, but it wasn't this item. It was the Scandinavia facial spray was what was on the actual sale. But in the book, they must have actually wanted this Smith French Dublin Aroma Hand Wash and Fresh Green Leaves. So there's some sort of disconnect between what they published and what they actually had. So the Scandinavia one was what they had actually told us we could choose. And then there was the Squeaka Cruiser wireless speaker Bluetooth. I wanted that. I think that was a throwback item. And then there was the Ciate London Fierce Flicks liquid liner. That's also a throwback item. And then there was the Pair Dual Salt one. That is a throwback item right there. And there was the mystery item. So I went with the mystery item because obviously I didn't like what I had the options of. And this is the Vasanti Hyaluronic Boost Limp Plumper. I'm totally not upset about this. I think I saw this in one of their add-on or other sales, and I actually debated getting this. So I do like the idea that I got this. And let's see how it looks here. I'm just gonna squeeze it out. It's very thick, it's clear. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on. That's not bad. It definitely has like spearmint or something in it because it's definitely making my lips feel tingly, which I'm okay with. Oh, I like that. That's not bad. Okay, so this is actually not a fail for me for a mystery item, and I have not been peeking to see what other people have gotten. So I'm curious if everybody got this as a mystery item or not, but I'm happy with it. So, all right, and the final two categories they picked for us. So the 6A category, you could get the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon by It Works. You could get the Wish Beauty Mask, Matcha Restoring Mask, which is this one right here. The Deep Sleep Body Cocoon Mask, I am curious about this. This is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for morning nights. It's a lotion to help you sleep, I guess. It says use nightly after bathing or before bedtime to restore your skin while you sleep. Let's open it up and smell. Doesn't really smell like much. That's interesting. I would have thought more of it. It's just a lotion basically, but that's okay. All right, and then the final, so there were three categories, sorry. This next category was either the Chic and Tonic Straws or the Wonder Beauty Mile High Volume Length Mascara. Actually would have been fine with either one of those, or the third option was the Spongel. So you could have gotten this, I can't go here, Spongel, this right there, or the straws, which I got. I'm okay with straws. We have children in our house, so it's always nice to have straws. So this is what they look like. They do come with a little brush cleaner, and then I don't know what this bad boy is. I guess this is how you carry them around. You put them in there. Let's see. That's what they look like, and I think you can bend them and then just stick them in here, if I'm not mistaken, so you can take them with you. So that's kind of cool. Like, these are actually nice if you want to like go to Starbucks or something and not have to use the throwaway ones. All right, final category is either the Rainbow Lip Balm by Winky Lux. I do like that brand. I don't know if I would want that balm though. That's what it looks like. The Pure Lycée Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Pill. That is this item here, which I am super excited about. I actually have some samples of this. I haven't gotten around to trying, so I'll probably give those samples up and then just keep this big one. I like this company, so I'm always excited to get stuff from them. And then the Avene Thermal Spring Water, which I also already have from Mystery Bundles. It's that one right there, so I'm excited. So overall, it's not the most exciting box in the world. I definitely think that for me, the sleep mask and the light therapy, wherever I put it in my disaster of my room, were kind of my big things that were super exciting. So, you know, it doesn't scream spring to me. It doesn't have anything like that, but there's lots of useful items in here. I'm very happy for my dollar amount. I wasn't as disappointed as I thought I would be. Even though this got screwed up, this is not the end of the world. Like, I do want the tea towels. I'm going to reach out to them, but this isn't the end of the world getting that matte. So I'm kind of curious how that will go, but I have had good luck with their customer service, so fingers crossed that it will stay that way. So anyway, guys, that's it. I'm gonna go now before my voice keeps cracking. And I will talk to you later. Bye.